Hello friends, welcome to Poongodi's channel. Today we learn a new stitch called Crested chain stitch. This is a decorative stitch. We put this in two parallel lines. Start in one line and make a small chain stitch along that line. Thread below the needle and pull over. You will get a small chain like this. Straight to that stitch. You pick some fabric on the next line. Wrap the thread around the needle from top to bottom. Hold with your left thumb and pull over the thread. You will get a small knot here. Insert the needle below the thread and we have finished the first stitch. Again insert the needle inside the first chain and bring it out. Thread below the needle and now we have made the second chain, and in the parallel line straight to the stitch pick some fabric. Wrap the thread from top to bottom, hold with your left thumb and pull the thread. You will get the crest here for the second chain. Insert the needle below the thread and now we will go for the third chain. Insert the needle inside the second chain and bring it out. Thread below the needle, pull the thread. Now we have finished the third chain, and for the crest pick some fabric on the parallel line. Wrap the thread from top to bottom around the needle. Hold with your left thumb and pull the thread. We have finished the crest. Now insert the needle below the thread. On the fourth chain, insert the needle in the third chain, bring it out, thread below the needle, pull over. Fourth chain is finished, and for the fourth crest pick some fabric. Wrap the thread from top to bottom around the needle, pull the thread, needle below the thread. Next chain, pick some fabric, thread below the needle, pull the thread, and for the crest pick some fabric from straight to the previous stitch. Wrap the thread around the needle from top to bottom and pull the thread, needle below the thread. Next chain, insert inside the chain, previous chain, bring it out, thread below the needle and pull straight to the stitch. Pick some fabric on the other line, wrap the thread top to bottom, pull over, needle below the thread, and next chain. You should repeat this stitch again and again. One chain and one crest for each chain. Straight to the stitch. Each chain is having a crest here. This is also a decorative stitch. You can use this stitch for border lines and also in patterns in between flowers and other designs. I hope the stitch is now clear for you. If you like this video, share with your friends. If you have any doubts, please comment. If you have missed my previous videos, go to the links given in the description box. See how beautiful the stitch is. Now you can finish it by putting the thread outside the chain, and so each chain is having a crest, and this is the back view of the stitch. However, you can increase the length of the crest or decrease the length of the crest, and the chain looks different accordingly. To learn more embroidering stitches, like and subscribe for my channel. Thank you for watching.